Provocative test of the thoracic outlet syndrome. So first we're looking at the INICET test. INICET test, the examiner locates the radial pulse, and while the arm is extended, external rotated, as well as a slight abduction, and the patient is instructed to take a deep breath and turn his head towards the test arm. So head is turned towards the test arm, and while extending the neck, the extension of the neck is seen, and the maneuver it tenses. So tenses the anterior as well as the middle scalenes, and if there is an outlet obstruction, the radial pulse will get diminished. In case of the outlet obstruction, what is done is the radial pulse will get diminished, as well as it is absent. Next, we are looking at the Halsted maneuver. Halsted maneuver is nothing but the reverse Adson test. So the Halsted maneuver, reverse Adson test, the examiner palpates radial pulse and applies downward traction. So again, the radial pulse is seen. There is a downward traction, and it is on the tested extremity, while the patient's neck is hyperextended. Neck is basically hyper extended, and it is rotated to opposite side, and the diminished or absent pulse indicates positive test. So this is diminished as well as absent pulse. This indicates a positive test. Then we are looking at the right hyperabduction test. In case of right hyperabduction test, the examiner palpates the radial pulse. So basically the radial pulse is felt, and the hyperabduction of the arm is seen, and the patient takes a deep breath and may rotate the or extend the neck. So they can take a deep breath and can rotate or extend the neck. So the absence of the pulse is, so in case there is no pulse, it is the positive test. Next is the Roos test. In case of the Roos test, the patient abducts the shoulder to 90 degrees and it flexes the elbow to 90 degrees, and the patient is made to open and close the hand slowly for 3 minutes. So open, close hand for 3 minutes, and the test is positive if the patient is unable to complete the test and experience cramping and numbness pain. So if the test is failed, so then if it is unable to perform, then it is a positive test.